In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use EBT on the Sam's Club app in 2026, step by step. The first thing you need to do is go to Sam's Club and make sure EBT is available for online SNAP purchases in your state. This is important because availability can vary depending on where you live. Before you spend time building your cart, it's a good idea to confirm that your state participates in Sam's Club's online EBT SNAP program. Once that's confirmed, open the Sam's Club app and sign in to your membership account. Make sure you're using the correct account before you continue, since your payment methods and order details will be connected to that profile. After signing in, it's time to add your EBT card. In the app, go to the account section, then look for payment methods or wallet. From there, choose the option to add an EBT card. Enter your card information carefully and save it. Take your time here so everything is entered correctly, since even a small mistake can prevent the card from being accepted later at checkout. Next, start shopping for SNAP-eligible items. Add qualifying food products to your cart, such as fruits and vegetables, meat, poultry, and seafood, dairy products, bread and cereals, and snack foods or non-alcoholic beverages. Keep in mind that not everything sold in the app can be paid for with EBT. Items like alcohol, tobacco, vitamins, medications, hot prepared foods, and most non-food products are generally not SNAP eligible. So, as you shop, it helps to pay close attention to what's going into your cart. When you're finished shopping, review your cart and proceed to checkout. This is a good moment to quickly look over your items and make sure everything is correct before moving forward. At checkout, select your saved EBT card as the payment method for eligible items. The app should apply your benefits only to items that qualify under SNAP rules. If your cart includes anything that is not SNAP eligible, or if there are taxes, fees, or delivery charges, you'll need to pay that remaining balance with another accepted payment method, such as a debit card or credit card. This is completely normal, so don't be surprised if the total is split between payment methods. Finally, review your order one last time, confirm the payment details, and place the order. Once submitted, your EBT benefits will be used only for eligible items, while any extra charges will be covered by your secondary payment method, and that's how to use EBT on the Sam's Club app in 2026.